The Poco F7 is official, competing with the Pro and Ultra. Centered around a futuristic design and flagship-grade performance, the Poco F7 is available in three colors: black, white, and a special Snapdragon themed cyber silver. It debuts the first ever virtual avatar Rider. Rider reflects Poco's pursuit of breathtaking performance and deeper engagement with the tech-savvy generation. The phone uses a CNC machine aluminum frame in front and back is of glass. The Cyber Silver edition is interesting with a mechanical side overlay. The F7 is IP68 water and dust resistant, and Poco boasts that F7 can withstand pressure up to 70 kilograms. It has a brand new all big core Snapdragon 8s Gen 4, a 30% upgrade over last year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Cooling the SoC is a 6000 square 3D dual-channel IceLoop system, the biggest ever fitted in a Poco device. For gaming, there's a Wild Boost 4.0 engine ensuring 120 frames per second in games such as Genshin Impact. The Poco F7 packs the largest battery in the series. Globally, it has 6500 mAh battery, but in India, it has 7550 mAh. Either way, you get 90 watts HyperCharge, which takes 80 to 30% for the global model and even offers reverse wire charging at 22.5 watts, making it as fast as Samsung's lower end flagship phones. Upfront, you get a 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz AMOLED screen with 3200 nits of peak brightness and thin bezel, achieving a 94.23% screen-to-body ratio. It has two cameras on the back: 50 megapixel f1.95-inch Sony IMX882 26mm wide-angle camera with OIS and 8 megapixel f2.2 15mm ultra-wide. It comes in 12 256 or 12 512 GB variants. The regular prices are $399 with a special early bird price of $339. The 12 512 GB variant is $449 with an early bird price of $399. In India, the Poco F7 is 32,000 Indian rupees for the base 12 256 model and 34,000 for 12 512 GB variant. Sales began on July 1st. This is the same chip that we're going to come in the Nothing Phone 3 in July, and Nothing Phone is supposed to price their phone at around 55 or above. I don't know how they'll justify the price.